My name is Ray Mohan. This is my wife, Kim Rai. We live in Roseville, California. We built our wine cellar last year in May. Extremely happy.
Basically, my husband's passion for wine grew to the extent that we had to build him a wine cellar.
And one of the things that I like about WhisperKOOL, you have a split unit. So the half stays outside and the other half's inside the unit, and there's hardly any noise whatsoever. I was extremely happy with that.
Yes, because noise control was something that we didn't want to deal with. We didn't want a very noisy room, and the WhisperKOOL has lived up to its expectations.
It was a dream come true.
Yes.
And for a contractor perspective, it was also very easy to install. In a matter of few hours, this thing was up and running. If anybody's in the market thinking about building a wine cellar, I extremely recommend for them to go with WhisperKOOL because they are the best units out there in the market.